Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve a problem which was appeared in SSC CGL 2024 tier 1 examination, and this problem is basically from trigonometry concept. And here in this question, here question is given as if 1 by sine 1 by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 4 secant theta, and theta must be in between 0 and 90, then the value of then we need to find the value of cot theta plus cosecant theta. So this is pretty simple, guys. What you have to do is you need to do the LCM. You need to simplify this one, so let's simplify this one. So if you do LCM, you will get 1 plus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Here sin theta get cancelled, so from this you will get 2 by 1 minus sin square theta, because here it is the form of a minus b into a plus b form, where we get a square minus b square. So 1 square is 1 and sin square is sin, so we get 2 by cos square theta, which is 2 secant square theta, and this becomes equal to 4 secant theta as it is given here. So secant theta square get cancelled, 2 ones, 2 twos. Secant theta is equal to 2. Secant theta is 2 when theta is 30 degrees. So let's say, so from this we can say that cot theta plus cosecant theta is nothing but cot 30 plus cosecant 30. Cot 30 is, we know that it's root 3, and cosecant 30, we know it's 2. Sorry, it's 2 by root 3, which becomes 3 plus 2 by root 3, which is 5 by root 3. This is the answer, guys. If you really like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video, guys.